We are going to be considering question number 2, 2019 WAEC Mathematics Paper 2 question. And here before us, here we have what? We have Ali, Musa, Yusuf share 420,000 naira in the ratio of 3, 5, 8 respectively. Find the sum of Ali and Yusuf share. Now we are given that what? The ratio of share of Ali to Musa and Yusuf is 3:5:8. So this is the ratio of Ali to the ratio of Ali share to Musa and then to Yusuf. Then the total amount shared by these three people is total amount shared, which is the total sum of money shared among them is 420,000 naira. 420,000 naira. So this is the amount shared among them. So now we have to calculate the sum of Ali's share and what? The sum of Ali share and Yusuf share. The sum of Ali and Yusuf what share. Now how do you go about it? You have to first of all add up the ratio. The total ratio here will be equal to the total ratio of the 3 will be what? Equal to 3 plus 5 plus 8, which is equal to what? 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. So that's how we get that one now. So the total amount that Ali and Yusuf, the total amount that Ali and Yusuf will get will be equal to, now the money that goes for Ali will be 3/16, 3/16 of the total. So it's going to be 3/16 of the total sum of money they have, plus now that of Yusuf will be what? That will be what? 8, because its share is 8 all over the total ratio of the total sum of money that I have. So meaning that now to know what Ali and Yusuf get, we are going to find 3/16 multiplied by 420,000 plus 8 plus 8 all over 16 multiplied by 420,000. So now when you press this, what do you have? On calculator, what do you have? So 3 times what? 420,000 divided by 16 will give you what? When you punch your calculator, 3 times 420,000 divided by 16. This one will give you divided by 16. We give you 78,750. So this place here we are having what? Everything here will give us 78,750. Now plus, when you do the same thing here, what do we have? We are going to have 8 times 120,000 divided by 16. We are going to have 210,000 naira. 210,000 naira. When you add them together, we are going to have what? That is 78,750 plus 210,000. We are going to have 288,750. So this is the total amount of money shared by Ali and Yusuf. So that's just that you add them together, you have what? You have 203,750. So that's that about question number 3A. Now question number 3B now. 3B. We were told that 2 into bracket 1 over 8x is equal to 32 raised to power x minus 5. Now here is a question on indices. Now the first thing you need to see is that we have 1 over 8x, 2 over 1 over 8x, 32 x raised to power what? 32x raised to power 1, 32x raised to power 1. So 32x raised to power minus 1. So the first thing is to express this thing in the same base. So how do we go about it? We express it in the same base by changing all the numbers that are not in base of 2 to base of 2. 2 into bracket now. To change this one to base of 2 now, you have to express it as 1 over 2 raised to power 3 bracket close s equal to 2 raised to power what? 5. That is 32 for you. In bracket s minus 1. So and continue here. So this means that 2 into bracket. Now this one you can use inverse law by changing it to what? 2 raised to power minus 3. It's still the same thing. Raised in the bracket what? X equal to 2 raised to power. Now 5 here you can use it to multiply out 5x. That is 5 times x is 5x minus what? 5. So that's that about that. So here now you have 2 into bracket. Now you can remove this bracket here. I have 2 times what? 2 raised to power minus 3x equal to 2 raised to power 5x minus what? 5. So having done that now, you can apply the what? The rule of what? Law of physics. I say when you multiply number of the same base, you can add their index together. So this one is 1. So because they have the same base now, you can add the index together. So this 2 raised to power 1 plus minus what? 3x. So this one will now be 2 raised to power 5x minus 5. All the same. So now since we have the same base now, you can equate the instead. Since we have the same base. Since we have the same base. Equates the indices. Equates the indices of both sides. So we have what? 1 now 1 plus into brackets minus 1 minus 3x is going to be 1 minus what? 3x. So because plus times minus will give us what? Minus 1 minus 3x equal to 5x minus what? 5x minus 5. So we have 5x minus 5. So by collecting the like times now, just take this one because this one is my negative already. Take it to the other side and bring this one to this side. Okay. So we have what? What do we have here? We are going to have 1 plus 5 equal to 5x. Now 5x now become plus 3x here. 5x plus 3x. So this one is going to give you 6 equal to 8x, which can be you can write as what? 8x equal to what? 6. Now divide both sides by 8 then 8. So this one cancel out. 6 here, 2 here, that is what? 3. Then 2 in 8, that is what? 4. Therefore, x is equal to 3 over 4. So that one is the final answer for that one. So now, let's move to question number 4 here. Question number 4 says that in a triangle PQRS, in a diagram, PQRS is a quadrilateral. You can see it as 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Side PQ, QR, RS, and PS. And angle PQR is 90 is equal to angle PRS equal 90 degree. If this one is 90 degree, this also is 90 what? Degree. Line PQ is equal to 3 cm. As you can see in the diagram, QR is 4 cm. PS is 30 cm. Find the area of the quadrilateral. I have to calculate the area of the quadrilateral. The quadrilateral does not have definite shape, but it has what? Two triangles. Triangle PQR, triangle PQR, and triangle PRS. So the quadrilateral itself, that we're talking about, the quadrilateral PQRS consists of two right angle triangles. So it's made up of two triangles, which is triangle PQR. Then we have what? Triangle PR plus triangle PRS. So these are the two things that's made up about that triangle. So you have to find the area of this one, find the area of this quadrilateral, then find the area of the triangle PQR plus the area of triangle what? Area of triangle PRS. So, and how do you go about that? Well, look at this now. The first triangle is PQR, which is, you can see here, PQR doesn't have any much thing here. You have been given the height here, which I will call the what? The H1, and the what? The B1. The right angle triangle, it has the height and the base. So the triangle what? PQR, the triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR, the area of triangle PQR will be equal to half B1 multiplied by what? H1, which is even clearing that place. H1 is 3, so and B1 is what? 4. 1 over 2 times what? B1, what is B1? B1 is 4. And what is H1? H1 is 3. So you can see it here. So 2 here 1, 2 here 2. 2 times 3 will give what? 6 centimeter square. So that's triangle A. Area of triangle APQR. Now let's deal with that of area of triangle what? Finding area of triangle now, considering area of triangle what? PRS now. So to calculate the area of triangle APRS, it will be what? Half. It's also a right angle triangle, but this time around our base will be what? Our height will be this one, H2, and this our B2. It's going to be half B2 H what? So, but look at this one. In this case, we don't have H2, we don't have what? B2. But this H2 here is the same thing as what? Is the same, is the hypotenuse. This H2 here is the hypotenuse of of triangle PQR. So meaning that we need triangle PQR again. So just bring out the triangle PQR here. So considering triangle PQR now, we have triangle PQR to have, let's sketch it out like this. So we have the triangle PQR here, and this triangle has H1, B1, then we have what? H2 here. The H2 here is our hypotenuse for this triangle, and this side is our what? Opposite, and these are going to be our what? Adjacent. But don't forget that this side has been given as well. This is 3 centimeter, and this is 4 what? Is 4 centimeter. So this is supposed to be adjacent. So now to calculate this H2, which is what? Which is our hypotenuse, we use Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras what? Using Pythagoras rule or theorem. We have hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus what? Adjacent square. So we have, what is our hypotenuse? We have H2 square equal to what? Opposite, which is H1 square plus B1 square, which is the same thing as what? 3 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 4 square. So we have H2 square equal to what? 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. So taking the square root of both sides now, which is H2 square equal to 25, and taking the square root of both sides. So this square cancel what? Square root. We have H2 to be equal to what? 5 centimeter. So we successfully calculate what? H2. Now how do we now get our B? To just bring out this diagram as well, considering the triangle what? Considering triangle PRS. Now considering triangle PRS. Now because we have gotten this one, we have to consider the triangle PRS to get our B2 as well. So we have our H2 to be 5 centimeter here. We have our hypotenuse here is 13 centimeter. Then we have the right angle here. And the B2 that we are looking for is here. So also the same thing is applicable here. We have hypotenuse, we have adjacent, we have opposite. So using Pythagoras rule as well, Pythagoras rule or theorem, we have the hypotenuse of square equal to opposite square plus adjacent what? Square. So we have what? What's the hypotenuse square here? 13 square equal to the opposite here is 5 plus B2 square. So we have what? 169 here equal to 25 plus B2 square. So we can now collect the line times, take this one to the other side. We have, let's continue here. We have 169 minus what? 25 minus 25 to give us what? B2 square. So this one is 144. That is 169 minus 25 is 144 equal to B2 square. So taking square root of both sides now, we have B2 equal to, because this one will cancel what? This. So square root of b of 144 is what? 12 centimeter. So I have successfully calculated what? The b2. Now going back to the area of what? Area of triangle PRS, which is half b2 h1 h2. So that is half times base, which is b2, 25, multiply 12. That's what we have just gotten at. And h2 is 5 times 5. We have 2 here, 1. 2 in 12 is what? 6. 6 times 5, we are going to have HPRS equal to what? 30 centimeters square. So, therefore, the area of quadrilateral what? The area of the quadrilateral PQRS, the area of the quadrilateral PQRS will now be equal to 6 centimeter square plus 30 centimeter square. So we have what? The area now to be equal to what? The area of the quadrilateral now is equal to what? 36 centimeter square. So that's the final answer. The area of the quadrilateral, this symbol for quadrilateral. So that's that about that. So we finished what we have ended what question 3 and 4 now.